So I recently got sent out this dog boat ramp, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and set it up. Let's go ahead and cut straight to that unboxing. So it comes in a pretty large box. Let's go ahead and get everything unwrapped and out of here so I can show you exactly how to set this up. It does look like we get a repair kit here, and then this is actually the storage bag for the ramp. We get some really heavy duty ropes and clips here to keep this in place. We're going to get multiple sets. It's even going to come with its own pump, and this is a really nice pump. It's not a small one whatsoever. So I'm really excited to try this one out. It even comes with a PSI meter right there so we can see exactly how much we've inflated it. This is the tube for the pump, and I believe this is the actual dog ramp or raft, whatever you want to call it. Then we're going to get some rope here as well, and then we're also going to get this user guide. They do have multiple setups. This is the single version, but we're actually going to be testing this out with multiple dogs today. But if you guys have ever inflated a paddleboard, it's a very similar design. So I'm going to go ahead and get this prepared to go ahead and inflate, and then we're going to go toss it in our pool and test it out with our two dogs. So we just got this all unfolded, and this thing is huge. I'm about 6 foot tall, and this is a little taller than me, I think, but we can see where the dog's going to be able to get up right here, and there are like heavy weights in here to help it sink down so that the dog's not trying to get up at surface level, but it actually has some steps below the water to help it get up. So all of the material in here is super heavy duty, but it also has some extra protection up here. It's kind of like a yoga mat type of material up top. We're also gonna get some tie down points on all four corners. We're gonna get handles on the side, and then the valve to inflate is going to be right here. So now we're going to inflate this. And to inflate it, we're gonna make sure that this pin right here is pushed up. So if you click it once, it should go down and stay down, and that should let the air out. If you press it again, it should keep the air in. So we're gonna go ahead and tighten this tube onto there. It just twists in place. Then we're gonna inflate it until we get into that green range, which is gonna be around 15 PSI. Also, make sure that you guys hook up the tube up top for inflating and then put it on the bottom for deflating. And there's also this little cap right here that will affect how much air you're putting into the device at one time. So I'll go ahead and fast forward this part, but we're gonna start inflating it, and it might take a few minutes, but at least it's not super difficult. All right guys, so it's all inflated. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like on the pump over there. So on the pump, we're gonna try to get it around that green range, and I think this is going to be good enough. It is super full, so it's hard to even push down. It doesn't feel squishy. And now all we have to do is twist this off. You'll hear a little pop. And because we have this pushed down the correct way, it didn't let all of the air back out. So from there, we're going to screw this cap back on. And if you guys struggle with twisting that back on, they have a little tool for that as well. And I'll also show you how it deflates. It's basically the exact opposite. So now's the fun part. Now that it's all pumped up, we're gonna go ahead and take it to our pool over there and see if our dogs find this useful or not. All right, so let's talk about my setup here. So basically, I just took the ropes and I put very heavy objects on them to kind of keep this in place just for this test. Obviously, this would probably be better suited on the back of a boat, and you have two very strong metal clips on the rear of this dog ramp that you could directly attach to your boat, and it would be very stable. Now, people could use this to get in and out of the water, but most importantly, your dogs can also use this as well, as they can't really use the standard boat ladder. Now, my dogs are fairly new to swimming, and they were able to figure this out really quick, and it was much easier for them to get out of the water with this tool versus just getting out on the side of the pool. Normally, I would actually have to go over there and help lift them over the edge, but thanks to this, they were able to figure out the steps, and the steps actually sink down into the water, so they're able to naturally, gradually get out of the water. There's no big climb up randomly, and it's very gradual, so even if you have an older dog, this is going to be super helpful. Now, when it came to the material, I was a little worried on how my dog's nails would react to it, if my dog's nails would scratch it, but this material is very heavy duty. I don't think my dog's nails could even puncture it. And once again, just think of a paddleboard and how tough those are. This thing is very tough, and they even protected it even more with that yoga mat material on the top. So I really think that this is a high quality product that's very strong and can withstand your dog's nails. This dog ramp could be used for multiple purposes. Even people could use this and lounge on it, and it would keep you in the water if you were to just sit on the steps. So overall, I was very impressed with this. And I also wanted to show you guys how to deflate it right here. It is going to make a loud sound when you guys deflate it, but it's pretty easy to do. So overall, if you guys are looking for a water dog ramp, then this is a really cool one to look into. And anyways, that's it for my really quick review.